So the question is, ikaw, Belle, since you started as a child star, diba? At syempre, si Nisa naman from here in the small city. At syempre, with big dreams na din po. So, the question is, Nisa and Belle, how did you keep believing in yourself even when the recognition wasn't there yet? So, let's start muna with Belle.
Well, pinaka-importanting recognition na makukuha mo and validation na makukuha mo is dapat galing sa'yo. So, I mean, all of these things, yes, it's good that you surround yourself with the right people, the right environment, but by the end of the day, ang recognition na dapat natatanggap mo and validation, you seek your validation within yourself.
Within yourself. Tama, palakpakan naman po dyan.
And I thank you.
And I thank you. At syempre, sa'yo, Nisa.
Nung nag-start ako ng YouTube, it wasn't very common pa that time. So, no one, I really wasn't growing up in a world na parang was clapping for me. So, tama si Belle, you should learn to clap for yourself first because you don't start naman with, you know, a lot of people supporting you.
That is correct. So, syempre, kahit gaano tayo ka-hopeful at positive, minsan talaga hindi natin, ladies and gentlemen, maiiwasan ang tinatawag na rejections po sa ating life. So, Belle and Nisa, how do you handle these things, you know, or those moments na when things don't go your way? So, ikaw, Nisa.
I don't know with you kasi pag artista ka may mga auditions, ganyan. So may rejection talaga, nasasabihan kang no, and you can't play the part, ganyan. But for me, as a content creator lang naman, parang walang direct na magsasabi sa akin na, no, hindi ka pwede dito. Siguro, I could put my heart out for one video, tapos magfa-flop, yun na siguro yung pinaka-rejection for me. But I'm kind of placed in an awkward position kasi there's no one there to tell me na, okay to, or sige, hindi, try mo lang next time. Parang ako lang din magde-decide sa self ko.
So,
if
ikaw
I wanna...
lang talaga. Ikaw lang yun siya. Yung parang, ikaw na yung director, ikaw na lahat.
Ako na lahat.
So, how about you, Belle?
No, I feel like most especially social media right now, diba, ang dami natin nakukuhang rejections online, ang daming comments. Pero nga, parang kailangan talaga kilala mo yung sarili mo eh.
That is correct. Again, diba? Take note guys ha, kailangan mo makilala muna yung
ang sarili mo. And take time. Take time na kilalanin yung sarili mo. Kasi confidence really is self-awareness.
Correct. That is correct. Tama yan.
Yeah, those moments, hindi naman maiwasan. May times na talagang nakakarinig tayo ng no sa life natin. Pero at least there's always room for improvement. So,
yes, palakpakan naman po dyan. Thank you so much.
Nami ito.
Nami, gitsayaga, correct it. Okay, so this time around, syempre, as what I've said earlier, let's do this light and fun at the same time. And speaking of fun, we will have a twist para sa ating panel discussion. Magkakaroon tayo ng Fast Talk with host Morena. Okay, so Fast Talk. Salitan lang. Palakpakan naman po dyan para sa ating Fast Talk. Okay, so first, let's have Belle. Okay, try again or try something new?
Try until you succeed.
Correct naman.
Pero try new then, both.
Both, okay. So for Nisa, take a risk or practicality?
Practicality.
Okay, next, Belle, speak up for what you want or stay still and listen.
Stay still and listen, and if it bothers you, speak up.
Correct!
Yes!
Oh.
May extra, Gidya. May extra.
Okay, next for Nisa. Being spontaneous or planning every step?
Both. Middle. Okay lang ng answer.
Okay lang na yan.
Lakat na lang.
Okay, next! Okay, for Belle naman, peace or purpose?
Purpose gives you peace.
Find your purpose.
Hindi, totoo yun Pag nalaman mo yung purpose mo, may self.
Palakpakan naman po dyan, Bacolod. Grabe, ang talino talaga ni Belle. So next for Nisa. Okay, go with the flow or make it your own way?
Go with the flow and the go. Extrahan ko man. Ikaw lang Go with the go. Go lang ng go.
Parang copy-paste na to. Yes, correct. Okay, next with Belle. Live for the moment or plan for the future?
Both.
Both
Both.
na rin. Sige,
Yeah.
pwede. Safe answer yun. For Nisa, next, follow your mind or follow your heart?
Follow your gut. O, lain naman. Hindi
Lain
pagsundo
naman
ng
siya.
script. Hindi. I said, don't follow the script.
Okay, next. For Belle, travel the world or settle down? Or settle down?
Travel then settle.
Wala nang masasabi ang person. Okay, next.
Pili Isabel!
dapat pipili siya, diba? Pero
Okay lang
yan.
na, okay lang na.
Okay lang, maganda naman siya.
No wrong answers.
No wrong answer.
wrong.
Okay. Okay, last para kay Nisa. Be a leader or to be a follower?
Follower na lang. Hindi ko organized.
Follower na lang, no?
Follower with opinions.
Okay. Alright. So, syempre, since earlier we talked about rejections, di ba la? So, how is it part of life? Or hindi talaga natin yan maiiwasan ang mga rejections na sinasabi natin. Pero, syempre, kung babalikan natin yung dati nyong mga sarili, okay? At i-compare nyo po ang dati nyong self sa ngayon, okay? So, nung nagsisimula pa lang kayo. So, what do you think has been the key not just to survive, but of course, to thrive for today's world? So, yan po. Lalo na syempre ngayon, di ba guys, no? We have, lahat po nasa social media na. Dapat pretty ka always, nalalabas ka sa camera. Dapat successful ka. Dapat relevant ka. Di ba may mga ganyan na ngayon? So, syempre, how do you rise above that? So let's start with Belle.
How do we rise above, social media
Yes po.
rejections?
Oo.
Maybe just, it's important that you surround yourself kasi with the right people. Like ako talaga, I make sure na tama yung mga taong nakapaligid sa akin. And okay lang
Correct.
naman if we get those rejections. We have to accept them parang, alam, yung criticism na tutulungan tayo mag-grow.
Yes
So,
po.
it's a matter of perspective lang talaga kung paano mo titingnan yung bagay. Kung yung bagay na yun, hahayaan mo na pigilan ka,
Yeah.
at i-drag ka pababa, mali yun. Pero if it's something that will help you grow, then take it.
Yeah, so, grabe naman yung answer na yon. And how about you, Nisa?
It's the same. I agree with, and I think for me, how I survived and thrived is, sobrang cliche, pero be authentic. I think that's the only way na you can build something that lasts. Although, hindi naman ganun kalaki yung ko, but 5 years is a long time for people to follow me for 5, 6 years, and they stuck with me. Siguro they saw something in me na parang, pa!
There's something in you na.
Oo, na sobrang feeling ko nakaka-relate sila or authentic lang ako, ganun. And ikaw din mismo, hindi ka din tatagal if, nag-pretend ka lang from the start. Ikaw din mismo magsasawa. So, if you're real
Dapat
lang.
authentic ka. Dapat totoo lahat yung pinapakita natin on and off screen. So, that's
Period.
your period. Ganyan, sis. Thank you so much. Siyempre, what are your what are your 3 pieces of advice na syempre that you can give to all our juicified teens right here? Na syempre, ano yung mga dapat gawin or like you would like to share to everybody na paano nila ma-pursue yung kanilang mga dreams in life? The 3.
3. Siguro 1, it's good that we plan for our future. It's good that we have dreams. Pero don't forget to live in the moment. Kasi alam mo, tatlo yan eh. Sometimes we're stuck in the past. Sometimes we're too focused in the future.
Correct.
We forget now. So just live now, and just take some time to get to know yourself. Take it take it one step at a time. Siguro yun, that's 1.
One step at a
one
time.
step.
Okay, that's first.
Accept, I know easier said than done, pero accept failure. Kasi may days talaga na madadapa tayo. Pero it's okay. It's okay kasi, yun nga, if you're down, there's only one way to go and that's up. And yeah, just be easy on yourself and light up and shine.
Correct! Be yourself lang. And then, syempre, the one and only Nisa, anong mga theory na maibibigay mo para sa lahat ng nanonood ngayon?
Copy-paste.
Copy-paste.
3.
Okay.
Think before you click. Hindi. I think, number 1, it's okay if hindi ka pa sure. It's okay kung
Hesitant ka pa.
Oo, kung feeling mo hindi pa ito yung life na gusto mo, okay lang. Number 2, and I think very relevant because narinig ko sa speech ng parang isang nag-graduate recently and I really liked it. Parang,
Yung nag-trendy.
oo, I like that. Parang, don't shame yourself for choosing survival over your passion. Kasi not everyone can drop everything and just do what they love because kailangan may mga unahin. So, take care of what you need to take care of. Take care of what you need. Basta mo na. And then, carve yourself some space sa future pag may time na. And then last, bakay tatlo. Even if, just because it's slow doesn't mean you're lost.
Oh, I love that.
Puli ta, may
I
nadaog na.
love.
May nanalo na.
Again. Just
because it's slow doesn't mean you're lost.
Oh, palakpakan
Would you like me
naman
to
po dyan.
translate it to the
Ayan.
British?
Okay.
Walang na siya.
So, 2 pa lang to, sis. 2 pa lang to.
Luga!
Okay, since of course, marami tayong natutunan for sure this afternoon from Belle and from Nisa. So now,